If you've been scrolling through social media lately, you've probably seen those eye-catching ads about a Dr. Emma Clark pumpkin seed recipe that supposedly melts fat overnight. It usually comes with dramatic promises like, drink this before bed and watch the pounds fall off. Sounds tempting, right? Well, today we're breaking down whether this thing is scam or legit, and trust me, you'll want to hear this before you spend a single dollar. So here's what's going on. The ads claim this recipe comes from a weight loss expert named Dr. Emma Clark, someone they say has over 12 years of experience in functional weight loss. But when you actually look her up, nothing. No credentials, no official website, no medical publications, not even a real social media footprint. Basically, she seems to exist only on the websites promoting this product. That's a huge red flag. But it gets worse. These pages tease a simple pumpkin seed recipe, yet the recipe never actually appears. Instead, you're pushed toward buying a supplement called Gut Drops, priced at around $70 per bottle. There's no proper ingredient list, no verified company behind it, and the only contact is a sketchy email and phone number. They even claim the product is FDA approved, but the FDA doesn't approve supplements like this. That's a straight up false statement. The marketing is full of the usual scam signals. Fake celebrity endorsements using random images that have nothing to do with the product, overly polished before and after photos that look like stock images or AI, references to Harvard and medical journals that never actually endorsed anything, and a so-called book titled Fat Burning Secrets by Dr. Clark. But the cover doesn't even list an author. All of this points to the same recycled formula these weight loss scams use again and again. Here's the truth. There's no scientific evidence that pumpkin seed tea before bed will magically burn fat. And there's absolutely no verified doctor behind this claim. It's just manipulative marketing designed to make people panic about their weight and impulse buy a shady supplement. So before you trust anything labeled, doctor approved, or clinically proven, make sure the doctor is real, the research actually exists, and the company is transparent. If you're trying to lose weight safely, your best bet is always talking to a real healthcare professional, not a website using fake credentials and borrowed photos. If you found this breakdown helpful, stick around for more deep dives into trending health claims and online scams. Thanks for watching, stay smart, stay skeptical, and I'll see you in the next one.